The poverty as an inheritance system. Now, Sukhbashi is a term which literally means living happily, but actually it means that the people have nothing left to lose. And there has been a system which is known as Dadan system, which has been introduced. Now, this system is where the bonded migrant laborers actually take advances called as Dadan from the contractor and migrate to far off states, mainly Tamil Nadu, Kerala, or Andhra Pradesh, to work for them. There has been more than 700,000 people leaving the region every year, and specifically in the regions of Balangiri and related areas, there have been significant numbers of bonded laborers with intergenerational transmigrations that have been seen. Now, half of the India's poor is facing the chronic poverty, has been stuck in the cycle of poverty since generation. The Chronic Poverty Research Center has tracked more than 3,000 households who have been spread across 6 states of 30 for the 30 years, and they have been working on their sustained life and the poverty conditions that their children inherit. So children actually face the intergenerational transmission of poverty. The caste, the religion have been two major hereditary burden factors that have been seen over the years, with poverty being another third which has been added to the things that have been inherited as a transmission of poverty intergenerational. So those are some of the important topics that we have discussed in Down to Earth. We'll be covering more editions. Thanks for joining.